guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this BAXIA solar light. It's a 2 set. That's something which fits perfectly on a wall, stairs, fence or so. It comes with a built-in battery which is being charged automatically with the solar panel here inside, and it has a built-in motion sensor which activates the 100 strong LEDs which illuminates the whole area up to 120 degrees wide, which is really wide. It doesn't have an always on mode, but because it illuminates only when somebody is approaching, it would fit also for an area which doesn't have really a lot of direct sunlight. So let's take them out here, see what we get. Comes also with some installation material, and then we get these two really super large solar lights. I think most people are underestimating the size of these lights, because from this type most of these lights are much smaller. The solar lights come also with some kind of protection. It's really important to remove it, otherwise over time it will get cloudy and then it could impact the efficiency of the solar panel. And the solar panel is actually a nice one. I hope you can see that, really nice, clear, shiny, high efficient. The whole set comes also with a short instructions manual. What's important to know is that we have to activate the light. We can also lock the light later on if we go for a vacation or something like that. So we get this needle here and we have this pinhole, and so we have to push here inside. We can feel some resistance like a normal real button, but in the back. And as a quick test to see if we have really activated the light, we can hold our hand or arm on top of the solar light or put it down on a desk, and then the LEDs should lit up. So we are doing that here by holding the second light on top of it, and you can see it's really strong. Other than that, they don't have any settings, so I'm putting them outside, let them charge, and then show you how good they are performing. And so this is the situation here in the back of my home. You can see there are also some other solar lights, but I can tell you what's the idea here is. You can see how bright these two solar lights are, and they're working really nicely with the motion sensor. And when I turn around, you can see how super bright this is. A huge difference to before, when I had just these pathway lights. I mean, the pathway lights are nice, they are beautiful. I mean, some are not as bright as this one, but even when you have some really bright ones, they have a huge disadvantage. They don't have a PIR sensor, and usually after short time they stop working after a couple of hours. Here in this case, usually after midnight, it's totally dark here in the back. And so this is a huge advantage with these two extra lights. You can see when they are turning off how dark this actually is. Even when we have these lights, you can see huge difference. I go a little bit back. Here you can see with these two lights, and here you can see without. Huge difference, and imagine how it will be when the pathway lights are turned off after midnight. Yeah, definitely huge improvement for me, so definitely works for me, so I can highly recommend them. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.